The journey of everyday life. Create a video that illustrates the daily activities of people around the world. Use dynamic visuals of morning routines, commuting, working, and leisure activities, highlighting how life is in constant motion. Exploring nature's motion. Focus on the beauty of nature by showcasing time-lapse footage of landscapes changing throughout the day. This can include sunrise to sunset, seasons changing, or animals in their natural habitats. Travel adventures. Generate a video that highlights travel experiences, featuring different modes of transportation, trains, planes, hiking, biking, and the unique cultures and environments encountered along the way. Movement and fitness. Capture the energy of various fitness activities, such as yoga, running, dancing, or team sports. This can inspire viewers to embrace an active lifestyle. The art of motion. Explore how different forms of art represent motion, such as dance, sculpture, or kinetic art installations. This could include interviews with artists or a look at famous works that embody movement. Cities in motion. A dynamic exploration of urban life, focusing on the hustle and bustle of city living. Traffic, public transport, street performers, and events happening in real time. Cultural festivals and celebrations. Around the globe, communities come alive with vibrant festivals, each a unique celebration of tradition and movement. Traditional dances, lively parades, and ancient rituals bring people together, showcasing the rich tapestry of human culture in motion. Mindfulness in motion. The concept of mindfulness beautifully intertwines with movement. Picture activities like Tai Chi, meditating in the heart of nature, or even mindful walking. These practices highlight how being present in each moment can create harmony between mind and body. Adventure sports. For those seeking a rush of adrenaline, extreme sports like rock climbing, surfing, and mountain biking offer thrilling experiences. These activities capture the essence of excitement and the human spirit's boundless thirst for adventure. Personal growth journeys. Personal development is a journey of steps taken towards one's goals. Whether it's through studying, traveling for self-discovery, or engaging in new hobbies, each action brings individuals closer to their aspirations. The path of growth is as inspiring as it is transformative.